So these 8 types, these Ashtanayaka bhavas, 8 types of moods of love that the gopis have towards Krishna. Dear Lalita Nayak. He's the Nayak, there's the Naika, the lover and beloved. So of the 8 primary ones that Ujjvala Nilamani is revealing by Rupa Goswami, 7 of them, Krishna's not there, or he comes and goes. And so in 7 different ways, 7 different times in different situations and moods and bhavas and feelings of love, the Sakhis are brokenhearted and sad. Then the last one is a controlling lover, Swadina Bhartrika. So we're discussing that. Swadin, Bhartrika. Bhartri means Swami, husband, Pati, Bhartri. But Vishnu Chakravarti says also in the Amarkosh Sanskrit dictionary, Bhartri can also mean paramour. It can mean Pati and Utpati. My husband and my extramarital lover, paramour. So Swadin means Swadin, control. So Radharani, this is her primary mood. So here, in explaining this verse, this Vishnu Chakravarti says this particular shloka, number 92, which we just read, is Mudha Kurvan, Patran Kuram, Anupamam Pinakuchaya. Brinda Devi is speaking to Purnamasi. And what is the subject of Brinda Devi's talk? Brinda Devi's talking about Radharani. And who else? Krishna. Because Brinda Devi is a servant of Radha Krishna's pastimes in the forests of Vrindavan. So she's saying, oh Purnamasi, you arrange such an, because Purnamasi arranges, she's the Yogamaya, she arranges all the lilas of Radha and Krishna coming together. She's the energy of bringing their prem together and their hearts together. So she controls all the higher feelings and movements of the devotees and all the arrangements. In particular, in the forest with the musical instruments for Ras Leela and the flowers and the garlands and instruments and drinks and parrots in the kunja and the flower beds and all these particulars of arrangement for the Leelas. The Leelas which are arranged and orchestrated by Yogamaya, Purnamasi, personified, the particulars are all carried out by Brinda Devi. Like the boss, is like the owner and the foreman. The owner speaks to the foreman, okay, do this, that, yes sir. Then he has people working for him. So Brinda Devi works under Yogamaya, and Brinda Devi has legions of Vandevis. So many Vandevis. Oh, collect some flowers, oh, collect some garland, oh, get some kumkum, oh, get some musk, go to the Adivasis and Palinda, go to the Palinda women and buy some kasturi, because they harvest the kasturi that falls from the deer or whatever, the belly, old deer or whatever. So then these Adivasis, they collect these things, and the chandan and all these things. So then the Vandevis go and collect all these things. So now Brinda Devi's giving the report to Purnamasi. Oh, you arranged such a nice Leela. Now he's meeting, it's Sambhog Milan, Radha and Krishna meeting together. And it's so beautiful, and you know what happened? And then he said this, Ocha? Then he did this, Then what did he do? Just like two ladies talk, or about their husband or whatever. So then Brinda Devi says, Muda Kurvan, says Muda Kurvan, Patran Kuran, Muda Kurvan, Mudan Kurvan, Patran Kuram, Anupamam Pinakuchaya. So Anupamam, because it's Sanskrit, Anupamam, to make the chandas, to make the meter. It's Anupam, incomparable, Anupamam, but to make the meter, because it's Kavi. So then Krishna, it says Muda, M-U-D-A, Muda, great happiness, ulas. He's Kurvan Patran. He's happily painting incomparably, beautifully artistic designs on Radharani's breast. Like a makari, like this, kind of like a dolphin, sometimes they translate makar kundala, Shamji, Krishnaji. Radharani wears makari, the female, and makar kundala. So sometimes it is translated as shark.